So we're still seeing upper 30s for the most part, starting to warm up into the lower 40s across Frederick and Montgomery counties and down into Fairfax County as well. But really not much of a change compared to earlier this morning, given the cloud cover that's been out there. But we are going to start to make some minor changes here and there, given the fact that wind speeds have really picked up now as we've gotten into the early afternoon hours, about 10 to 20 miles an hour overall, as we have 10 mile an hour in Frederick, 15 in Hagerstown, and then we have those, of course, slightly windier conditions across much of the mountains here. And those northwest winds are going to be what ushers us into a much at least clearer sky as we go into the rest of the day today. But again, look at this northwest wind still just persisting on the western side of the storm system that's over the Maritimes at the moment. Now we have more clouds over to the west as there is a storm developing over the south central part of the country, but high pressure is building in as we speak, and we will eventually be breaking up this cloud deck. Just look how much more it thinned out here as we've gone into the early afternoon. More of that dark gray look went to a lighter gray look on the satellite picture, and we will eventually have a few peaks of sunshine before the day is done. But much like with this stagnant pattern, it's taking a little while to get there. So yeah, go figure. The clouds are going to be with us through much of the afternoon today, but we'll get that clearing really going tonight and into the day tomorrow as we start to really see high pressure building in across the entire country. Yes, there's going to be a high pressure center over the center of the country that is going to keep pretty much everyone dry, not just in the four-state region, but it's going to be pretty quiet across most of the country, with the exception of the southeast. There's going to be a couple of storm systems skirting along the Gulf Coast and will eventually drift our direction along the coastline. But for right now, it doesn't look like we're going to see much impact and much precipitation from any of those systems. Again, skies will continue to be cloudy, but we are going to start to see some breakup of that cloud deck late this evening and then especially tonight. Clouds will still hold on over the mountains during that time frame as we continue to see northwest winds causing that upsloping and the creation of all of that cloud cover. But even on Thursday, there's going to be enough dry air in place with high pressure nearby to give everyone at least some time of sunshine. And of course, down to the south, though, as we go into Thursday night and Friday morning, we're going to see clouds returning with that first storm system nudging its way close to the area. But again, for right now, things are looking quiet. We'll have the mostly sunny sky for your Thursday, and all of that rain will stay confined into the Carolinas and areas south. But once Friday arrives, we're going to see that increase in cloud cover. And yes, a little bit of a mix is not out of the question into portions of northern Virginia and southern Maryland. But the weekend is looking very sunny. Temperatures are not going to be changing much at all each and every day. And we'll start to see the second coastal system near us on Tuesday. For right now, things, though, still remaining dry.